Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 offline with bots. First, launch the game and navigate to the Play tab. From there, you will see several game modes. Select Practice with Bots to begin setting up your match. This option allows you to enjoy the game without an internet connection, providing a fantastic way to learn and practice. You can then configure basic settings like the number of bots and their difficulty level. Once you've selected Practice with Bots, you gain extensive control over your match. You can adjust the bot difficulty, ranging from passive, which offers minimal resistance, all the way up to unfair, providing a significant challenge. Furthermore, you have the power to pick specific heroes for your team and even for the opposing bots. This level of customization extends to game rules, allowing you to modify elements like starting gold or experience gain, tailoring the experience precisely to your needs. After configuring your desired settings, simply click Start Game to jump into your offline bot match. For those seeking even greater control, Dota 2 offers powerful console commands. You can open the console by pressing the / key, usually located above the Tab key. For example, typing Create a Hero followed by a hero's name will instantly spawn that hero into the game, allowing for unique testing scenarios. These commands provide a robust toolkit for experimenting and learning. Playing Dota 2 offline with bots offers numerous advantages for players of all skill levels. It's an excellent, pressure-free environment to practice new heroes, experiment with different item builds, and refine your skill progressions. You can focus on fundamental mechanics like last hitting and denying without the stress of competitive play. This controlled setting allows you to improve your map awareness and decision-making at your own pace, making it an invaluable tool for skill development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.